Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for growing your YouTube channel, YouTube SEO. Stick around because understanding this can make a significant difference in how your videos perform on the platform. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization for YouTube, is the process of optimizing your videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube search results and gain more visibility. It's about making your content more discoverable to your target audience. Now, let's break down the key elements of YouTube SEO that you need to focus on. 1. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your audience is searching for using tools like YouTube's own search bar, Google Keyword Planner, or TubeBuddy. 2. Optimize titles and descriptions. Craft compelling titles and descriptions that include your target keywords and accurately describe your video content. 3. Engaging thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Use bright colors, clear images, and compelling text overlays. 4. Video tags. Use relevant tags that describe your video content to help YouTube understand what your video is about and improve its chances of appearing in related searches. 5. Video length and watch time. Aim for longer videos with high watch time, as YouTube tends to prioritize videos that keep viewers engaged for longer periods. YouTube pays close attention to how viewers engage with your videos. Here's what you can do to optimize engagement and retention. 1. Encourage likes, comments, and shares. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos to boost engagement signals. 2. Create compelling content. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience and keeps them coming back for more. 3. Use cards and end screens. Utilize YouTube's features like cards and end screens to promote related content and encourage viewers to continue watching your videos. Lastly, don't forget to promote your videos across other channels and platforms. 1. Share on social media. Share your videos on your social media channels to reach a wider audience and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. 2. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience and gain exposure for your channel. And there you have it, a crash course on YouTube SEO. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your video's visibility and grow your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and follow for more YouTube tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Coder Squad.